Hello everyone, this is my 1977 Kombi camper and sitting in a garage for a couple of weeks. I thought I'll start her up, see how it starts when engine's cold. So I just recharged the battery because it's fairly old, 3-4 years old battery. Just reconnected it now. Oil should be good. Yep, it's right on the top level, and yeah, ready to go. I drive this Kombi about once or twice a week, but lately I was driving other cars, so now I'll try a cold start, see how it goes. Not bad after 2 weeks. Idles straight away, but idles a little bit low. It'll pick up when the engine warms up. It's a 2-liter twin carb engine, 60 horsepower, original to the car, and as far as I know, it hasn't been overhauled or anything like that. Runs nicely, always service it on time, and yeah, just happy with it. The only trick is that because I've got a few cars, not driving it enough, but sits in a nice dry, safe garage, as you can see. So yeah, I love it. It's got the twin battery set up as well. But it's a camper, as I said it on the top, and I've got a walk around video on my YouTube channel, so you can look it up if you're interested to have a look at the details of this camper. It's a full camper and built by Sunliner, which is a professional company in Victoria, in Melbourne. So yeah, it is a nice setup. Look it up. Doesn't drop much oil. A really good dry engine. I would drive this camper van anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this cold start. I certainly did. Started well. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye bye.